It's chassis time with the PRObuilt Chassis Raffle vlog. Let's get right into this one. We got some Transaxle parts in today and we are super excited. All aluminum ribbed case that is new and aluminum. Heavy duty side plate and new aluminum nose cone. Aluminum carrier should be in this week too. We're not going to paint this one. We're going to leave it all raw aluminum finish. That looks sexy already. But we're going to detail it with the right fasteners and mounts to look ultra sick. More to come tomorrow. As always, check out all the links below for purchasing your raffle tickets, list of parts that we're using in this build, and please support those who are supporting us. Thanks again, everyone. We'll catch you on the flip side. The pros at Airkewld are out. See ya!